So, hi, welcome back. So, this is we're back filming. So, I'm really sick right now. Stay tuned. December 25, 2025 soon. Because there is special thing I want to say. Because we're traveling. We're traveling somewhere. So, just stay tuned. And today, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna give this to my mom. So I'm really designing this says Happy Christmas, and this is my test. Look, let's look at how many marks I get. Oh, 36. Here, 36.45. So I can't really say that now. So let's done this super loud because this is a secret for my mommy yet. So yeah, these two. So I'm gonna put you right here. Let's read this number 1. From Angel, me Arpuhas to my mom has been Arpuhas. Oh, drop it. So this is, and see it. You can rate it. Just okay. So it says Happy Christmas, Mom. Thank you for being a good mom when I was sick. Thank you for taking care of me. You are the best mom ever. Happy Christmas. So did you hear that? Maybe not. Maybe not so. Stay tuned. This is for my brother. This says, from Angel May Arpuhas to my brother, Christian Lee Arpuhas. This says, Happy Christmas. Thank you for being a good brother when I was sick. Thank you for taking care, and you are the best brother ever. Happy Christmas! So this is the basket from Angel Me to my brother, to my mom, and my brother. Husband as Christian Lee are has. Let's put this because I'm gonna give this to my mother and brother. Not today, on the special day, December 15, 2025. So, let's put this.
Sa maanumalyang mga proyekto kontra mga tumanta na ayon sa DOJ. Isiniwalat ang lahat ng nalalaman at itinuro ang mga nakatransaksyon.
Ang ilang senador Happy Christmas is coming in December 35 to 35. Happy Christmas!
At ilang kapusong stars. Nagtulay sa iba't ibang Christmas lighting event.
We're not from Dubai, we're from the Philippines. So, I gotta get off. Ouch.
Live mula sa GMA Network
Says
Center, ito
Dubai.
ang favorite oras. Pamadal, mga kapuso, kung gaano kalawak ang bagyong Juan atay sa satellite image nito. Anong oras ngayong gabi o bukas ng umaga? Papasok yan sa Philippine Area of Responsibility o PAR. Pero kahit wala pa, dahil nasa lawak nito, ay may mga lugar na isinailalim sa signal number 1 na iisa-isahin natin maya-maya lang. Mabilis din niyang lalakas sa loob ng 24 oras. Kaya mataas ang chance ng
what we're gonna do
tama sa lupa bilang
tomorrow,
isang super
I
typhoon
have a
ay
vlog
kapag
again
katunayan,
by doing
namumulan na
my
naman
new
yan. Tingnan
TV.
ninyo, yung pula po, yung
Tomorrow
volume
is,
o dami ng ulan na ibubuhos
so
niya.
let's get ready. Later.
Magandang gabi po, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao.
Can you hear that?
Galit na kinumpronta ang isang guro sa tarlac ng pamilya na 8 taong gulang ng estudyante
So,
na ginahasa
stay
ang
tuned.
ulo niya sa loob ng paaralan.
Sa gitna yan ang pagharap nila sa piskalya kung saan iginiit ng pamilya ang hustisya para sa biktima.
Itinanggi naman ng paaralan na meron silang dark o confession room kung saan umunagan ang pagkrimen sa may banta sa mga gagamit mo sa insidente para sa pansariling interes. Nakatutok si Jonathan Anda.
Just so it is first song. Stay tuned. Bye. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe and share and like the video and comment. And I wanna be good because I'm really sick right now. So bye.